Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Colorzilla extension in Chrome, a powerful tool that lets you pick colors from any web page just like a pro designer. Whether you are a developer, a UI designer, or just someone who loves playing with color palettes, this tool is a must-have for you. So let's get started. So first thing first, let us install this extension in Chrome. For that, uh, just open Chrome and from here go to extensions in the menu and go to visit Chrome Web Store. Here just type Colorzilla and this will come up. So the developer name is colorzilla.com, just remember this particular name and icon. From here click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. That's it. The extension is now installed. Now if you don't see the particular icon of the extension, it might be hidden in this extensions button, you can say. So what you have to do is that you have to just click here and click this icon called pin, and now it will permanently show up in your toolbar. One small thing, though I showed you the installation in Chrome, remember this particular extension is also available in Firefox. So you are seeing here the page of Firefox from where you can get the particular extension and install it. Okay, so now let us test the particular tool. So the first thing which I will show you is picking a color from the web page, and this is something which you will use quite often. So click on this particular menu option, page color picker active. As you can see, a particular toolbar has come at the top. And now if you go to any particular color and this crosshair will appear, this plus shaped icon in the screen. And now you can choose any particular color. Let's say we choose green and we click it, this color will get copied to the clipboard. Okay, so you can repeat the process just to show you with blue, or let's say do a white. So this is coming in RGB and in hexadecimal format. You can also select the colors outside your browser. For that, the second option has to be chosen, but there is a small bug because after you choose this, you can't really minimize anything on the screen. So what would be better is you make this window a little shorter and hope that you can see what you want to pick up, and then click on this icon and click pick color outside browser. And from here, like, let's check this one and click. So now this particular color has been copied to the clipboard. So next up is the color picker panel option, the third one. Here you can choose whatever color you want and see what the particular RGB value or the hexadecimal equivalent is. There are some other notations also like HSL. Feel free to use whatever is required for you. And it also shows here on the right side the history of colors which you have picked. So if you remember, we picked red just a bit ago, and that is showing up here. The picked color history is also available from this icon, and this will take you back to this particular screen. From, you have to again go to the right side and check. Now the next option is an interesting one. This is called web page color analyzer, and it basically analyzes and gives you all the colors which are there in the particular web page. So this is a good option if you want to check what type of themes or palettes this particular web page has used. So up to you. You can click any particular color and then try to copy that. It also shows you the element where this particular color is. So here you can see TD. So hope that will change. Yeah, like here you can see this particular color is associated with this particular element. Um, so this will be handy to locate that also. The next feature is the palette browser, and here if you want you can select various type of palettes. So X named colors or web named colors, whatever is required, you can see the name also here written. So this will be a handy tool for that. So the last feature which I want to show you is the CSS Gradient Generator. And this is a simple tool, and most designers will understand it. So here you can create your own gradients. There are some presets also. From here you can just click on the particular stops, and from there you just click a color and try to change the gradient and it will change. You can also add the stops, like let's say I want to add it one here, and then change it to, let's say, maybe red, a little deeper. So like with this you can create your gradients, as well as you can copy the CSS link to that in various color formats and use it in your web page project or web browser project, whatever. And the compatibility is also shown up here. And that's how you use Colorzilla in Chrome or Firefox. It's a very handy tool if you work with colors, websites, or design in general, I will say. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment if you have any questions below, and I will make sure to answer that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.